don't enter. See, come now.
Kotagal! Shout at arms! General salute! Present arms! Permission to march out the Kotagal to the gas room, sir. Aye, sir. Sentry stand fast. Remain the girl to the guard room. Dismiss.
First, let me thank His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, for doing us the favor to be here today as a special guest of honor. I also want to specifically thank the Speaker, House of Representatives, who, because of his busy schedule today, has also done us proud by sending our own, the Chairman, House Committee on Defense, Honorable Jimmy Benson, to represent him here today. It is with great honor and privilege that I welcome you all to the commissioning of the new Headquarters Naval Training Command Complex here in Ebubu, Eleme, Rivers State. I appreciate you all for making out time, despite the short notice, to attend this epoch-making ceremony. The event that has brought us here today began in 2022 with the donation of two schools, namely Ambassador Nne Model Secondary School, Ebubu Eleme, and the Model Secondary School, Eberu, in Oyibo local government area, to the Nigerian Navy by the Rivers State government. Following the decision and based on the Nigerian Navy Strategic Plan 2021 to 2030, which already has in that plan the expansion of the Naval Training Command and the expansion of several of our other training facilities, the Nigerian Navy took it as a priority to relocate Naval Training Command and some of our training facilities to this particular complex. Thereafter, we carried out extensive renovations and upgrade of infrastructure in the complex for the relocation of the command leading to this commissioning ceremony. The short video you saw was very clear on the former state of this particular complex and the extent to which we have gone to bring it this far. And I'm happy to announce today that all this, we did it by direct labor using the effort of personnel, officers and ratings of Naval Training Command, who spent hours here day and night making sure that this complex is brought to this level. And for that reason, I want us to specifically appreciate the Flag Officer Commanding Naval Training Command and the entire team of Naval Training Command for that diligent work. Let me also appreciate the Rivers State government and the entire people of Rivers State for donating this complex to us. It is an indication of the existing cordial relationship between the Nigerian Navy and Rivers State, and even all other states in the Federation. And this relationship is something we do not take for granted, and we are determined to build upon it in the future. The relocation of the headquarters Naval Training Command from Lagos to Ebubu, Eleme, and River States will lead to increase in human capacity development for the Nigerian Navy, as well as strengthen our operations for the overall goal of maritime security with a view to enhancing national development. It will assist in providing the enabling environment for learning for the Nigerian Navy to carry out its statutory mandate of enhancing maritime security in our country. This is in line with Mr. President's mandate given to us to provide the enabling environment for the harnessing of the enormous economic potentials of our blue economy for overall goal of national prosperity and development. The Nigerian Navy will continue to carry out operations to ensure security of our maritime domain, as well as to secure River State and the Niger Delta region in general for the development of the country. Let me seize this opportunity to appreciate Mr. President once again, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Grand Commander of the Federal Republic, for his support to the Nigerian Navy. I want to sincerely also appreciate His Excellency, the Executive Governor of River State, for his continuous support to the Nigerian Navy. Like I stated yesterday during my courtesy call to the Governor, River State and the Nigerian Navy are conjoined twins because many of our operational and training facilities are domiciled here, and there's no doubt that we need River State as much as they need us. The Nigerian Navy is indeed grateful. Permit me to solicit Your Excellency's support towards the upgrade of more infrastructure in this complex and for the renovation of the second secondary school, which was also given to the Nigerian Navy, to enable us move some of our congested training facilities to that same place, particularly the Nigerian Naval College or NER in River State, which is co-located with the Nigerian Navy Basic Training School and is due for expansion. So if we have the facility, we'll quickly relocate that same facility to that place. I want to appreciate also the Speaker, House of Representatives, who is here represented by the Chairman House Committee on Defense. Thank you for your presence as well as the support of the National Assembly with the attainment of Nigeria's Navy's constitutional mandate. Particularly, the National Assembly has been very, very useful to us in ensuring that all our statutory appropriations are treated with priority. And for this, we are grateful to the National Assembly. I will not stop without thanking the Honorable Minister of Defense and the Honorable Minister of State for Defense for their continuous guidance to the Nigerian Navy and also for their support, which has enabled us to be able to carry out our duties. This activity that we are here today to witness is an activity that we will live to remember because it marks a milestone in the development of the Nigerian Navy, particularly our training facilities. Once again, I want to thank you all for being here and wish you safe journey back to your various destinations. God bless you and onward together. Thank you.
Naval Training Command here at Ebubu, Eleme local government area of River State. Let me begin by thanking the Chief of Naval Staff for inviting me to be part of this historic occasion. I have a reason to say inviting me. We have a lot of drama around, so it's really a privilege to be here with you. Whose significance is beyond measure to the people of Rivers State and Nigeria as a whole. Today's event completes a development journey that was started in April 2023 when my predecessor graciously ceded this dilapidated structure of the abandoned former Mrs. Nnekurubu Model Government Secondary School to the Nigerian Navy for its use. Today, we have seen the results of that noble and progressive decision with the comprehensive transformation and upgrading of the facility as the Nigerian Navy new headquarters training command, which was hitherto domiciled in Lagos. This magnificent training command stands as a testament to the commitment of the leadership of the Nigerian Navy in investing in the professional development of our naval personnel with the singular objective of cultivating a highly skilled, proficient, and motivated naval force capable of advancing the security and prosperity of the nation maritime interests. Furthermore, this training command is truly a remarkable evidence of the great stride being made by our dear President, His Excellency Ahmed Bola Tinubu, to strengthen the combat capability of our Nigerian Navy to deal with the expanded spectrum of maritime security threats that we face as a nation. Against this background, I wish to express my utmost gratitude and commendation to the Chief of Naval Staff and his team for their leadership in keeping to their promise to put this facility to effective use for the social economic benefit of Rivers State and our country at large. As a littoral state with significant deposits of natural resources, Rivers State is exposed to seaborne security threats, including activities of pirates, kidnappers, and pipeline vendors that have adverse impact in the state and national economy, if not effectively tackled. This is why we will continue to provide tangible support and work together with the Nigerian Navy and other security agencies to safeguard the freedom of navigation, combat criminality on our waterways, and ensure that the state is safe and secure for business and development to thrive and benefit our people and our dear nation. Accordingly, I am pleased to announce the donation of the sum of 350 million to support the continual development and operationalization of this training command. As you go on to put this training command into full service, my charge to you is to ensure that this training facility is effectively maintained and utilized to expand the operation activity for national development. I further implore you to provide security and development support to the host community, and live in peace and harmony with the civilian population in this local government area. Very, very important. Again, let me thank all who have contributed to the realization of this important project in this community, the chiefs and the people of Eleme local government area. As I affirm the special bond Rivers State has with Nigerian Navy and shared commitment in advancing the peace, security, and well-being of our state, people, and our nation. It is a very special privilege to be part of this very, very special occasion, making history at a time of difficulty, making history at a time of challenges that is beyond what we even expected or thought. But the good thing about this whole situation, if we have to progress, we have to embrace our situation and move ahead. Let me on this note say thank you to everyone. Thank you to the Nigerian Navy. Thank you to all the armed forces. Thank you to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And thank you to Rivers State. May God bless you all.
By Nigerian Naval College on it. 16 year old, 1 century, 1 bugler,